Just got this TV from Jumia. Let's check it out. This is the unboxing video. This is the 32-inch iTest Android Smart TV. Okay, let's check out the unboxing experience and see what this TV is all about. This is the iTest Android TV. This is the G series. It has built-in Chromecast with over 2.4 gigahertz fast Wi-Fi streaming with 2 HDMI ports for game consoles and for connectivity. Okay, let's check out the package and see what it has. Opening the box, let's check out the accessories that came with the TV. Inside we have the different user guides. This is the user manual and some other paperwork, and this is the smart remote. It has an option for Netflix, Amazon Prime, Google Play and YouTube shortcut keys. Wow, this is a nice remote from iTel. I'm liking the vibe so far. Let's check out the other packages. And yes, I forgot to mention the TV comes with VGA cords for connecting directly to your GoTV or DSTV. And it also comes with a stand as well as the AA size batteries. Removing the TV from the carton. Let's see. Wow. Wow, this is looking nice. Wow. And on the screen here we have a quick description of the features of the TV. It's 32-inch like I mentioned earlier. It has a narrow bezel, super bright screen resolution, HD ready and Dolby Atmos audio. And this TV, the Android system, has 1 gig RAM and 8 gig internal memory. So let's check out the side. Look at how the side is. And this is just how it is over here. Flipping the back of the TV, we have other features. Wow, model G322 series. AC, the voltage is AC about 100 to 240 volts. Rated power is about 55 watts and the frequency is about 50-60 hertz. As you can see here, it's assembled in Nigeria, designed by iTel. And over here we have a warning sticker that says, to avoid risks of electric shock, do not disassemble the power supply or display unit cabinet. Designed by iTel. Well, so far it's a simplistic looking TV. And we have the other ports. Over here we have the LAN port, which is to connect to the internet. Then we have the first HDMI, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. We have the antenna in over here. Then we have the antenna 2. We have about 2 antennas. This for your satellite and this for your normal antenna. While we have the AV, mini AV inlet, which is over here as well. And this is where you connect this into. You can see it comes in very handy. And we have USB connecting ports as well. Then we have the headphone jack for those people that use their TV for gaming. This will come very handy. Then we have this other port which says digital audio outlet. We'll check out the function later. So far the TV is a good looking TV. Everything is looking nice. Okay, so just hold on, let me put it on and see how the display looks. Turning it on for the first time, the booting screen displays the iTel logo. Okay, this is Android for TV. Okay, first time it's booting up, and it showed the 100 logo. Okay, let's set it up. Select English. Let's say continue. Because this. Okay, quick tutorial for the TV. Said press back and minus key simultaneously while pointing to the TV within the distance of 1 meter, at least 2 seconds. Let's try this out. Connecting to Wi-Fi, connected successfully. Checking out all the apps on the TV. So far, it's a very nice TV. Check out the remote. And the remote looks really modern. Currently, this TV sells for about 95 to 100,000 naira, and that's about approximately $275 US. I got this one on Jumia, so if you need to place an order, click on the link in the description, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.